Don't impose yourself on their cuisine. So one of the reasons why I'm asking Ken Arnone to speak at the summit is because he put things into perspective that allowed me to grasp where I needed to be with global. There's an authenticity that we need to make sure that we execute, right? So imagine you're in a private club, you have an Egyptian client, she wants you to cook the fete for her grandmother who's in town, you're celebrating with the whole family. What recipe is she gonna give you, and how are you gonna pull off this dish in your operation that you've never cooked before in a way that's going to deliver to them what they expect and showcase you and your kitchen's talent? And then the other side of that again came from Chef Arnone, who do you think you are to think that you know how to cook the fete better than they would? So many of those conversations that he and I had are what gave me the perspective that I developed, which helped me be successful at the exam.